to Kylie Jenner's hair care routines. Very interesting. This is the very first time I've ever seen my hair like this. It is definitely very old Hollywood. Hola gente. What is up, my warrior angels? Welcome to yet another video where we test out celebrity hair care routines. A very entertaining excuse to try some new products out and basically figure out whether products that celebrities recommend actually work or not. I don't know. You guys really enjoyed Kim Kardashian's hair care routine video that's going to be linked right here. And you voted for Kylie's. Your wish is my command. We're going to be testing out not one, but two of Kylie Jenner's hair care routines, her everyday hair care products. And then on the second part of this video, you're going to see me use her full glam hair care. So the first step is, of course, the shampoo that Kylie uses, none other than the MOROCCANOIL hydrating shampoo. This is meant for all hair types, sulfate, phosphate, and paraben free, color safe, and like the name, it's supposed to be very hydrating. I was really happy to see that Kylie uses and recommends this product. I've been meaning to test out this shampoo for a very long time. Let's jump right into the shower and apply this and see how this goes. Alright, so the shampoo has a very creamy texture. It's actually also a little bit rich, and it's probably due to the fact that it contains Argania spinosa, which is argan oil, aka Moroccan oil, you know, the common denominator in the entire Moroccan oil family. One of the things I noticed about this shampoo is that it doesn't lather as much as maybe the one Kim uses, the Frizz Dismiss. I noticed it did not lather. Then I went in with a little bit more product and nothing happened. If you tend to have oily roots or you feel that your scalp needs a deeper cleanse, this may be a little bit too gentle. I just cannot recommend for that. Because of its argan oil content, I have high hopes that it will actually do something for me in regards to frizz control. Step 2 of Kylie Jenner's hair care routine is the MOROCCANOIL hydrating conditioner. I was really generous and fully saturated my hair. As you guys know, I tend to just skip conditioner in general. They don't do a lot for me, and then I just go in with a hair mask. That's kind of my thing. But today we're testing what Kylie does, and I really wanted to give this a good shot. I mean, look at this. This is quite good detangling power for a conditioner. For instance, Olaplex number 5 doesn't do enough for me when it comes to detangling, and most conditioners don't. Above average detangling power when it comes to conditioners, at least in my personal experience and for my hair type. The other thing I wanted to mention is that this product contains dimethicone. In fact, it is the second ingredient in the full ingredients list, so it is not silicone free, and it also contains cetyl alcohol, which is actually a hydrating type, the good kind. So in my case, if I were to use these every single day like Kylie does, then what I would do is, you know, once or twice a month I would use a clarifying shampoo. I usually use the Neutrogena, and that would kind of help me reset my hair from any kind of, you know, silicone residue, prevent buildup and all those things, and also give my scalp a much deeper cleanse. And we're almost done with Kylie's everyday hair routine. Stay tuned for her full glam routine, which adds a couple more products. So we're going to be applying the KLORANE Magnolia Brilliance. This is a leave-in type of product. I've never tried this either. However, I have tried 2 other KLORANE products that I really loved. Very interesting. It contains vinegar, olive oil, and hydrogenated castor oil. And castor oil is known to be good for hair's growth. So very interesting ingredient, but it's not any type of castor oil. It is actually hydrogenated. At least from what I know, hydrogenated ingredients tend to penetrate deeper faster. Are we ready? And then it also contains magnolia leaf extract. That said, it's kind of at the bottom of the full ingredients list. Very nice mist. Just making sure this is very evenly spread. We're not going to be blow drying for the everyday hair care routine. I read that Kylie has decided to kind of, you know, use her natural texture a little bit more, kind of let her hair rest. So I'm gonna go now and just let my hair air dry for a bit. So you guys know I'm not a fan of how my air dried hair usually looks. It still needs a little bit of air drying on the roots. I can't wait to see what the full Glam results will be. So even on her full Glam routine days, Kylie remains quite loyal to the same shampoo. Once again, the MOROCCANOIL hydrating shampoo, so that's not going to change. However, she does use a deep conditioning hair treatment at least once a week, the OUAI treatment mask. And it's not too surprising when you find out that OUAI actually was founded by Jen Atkins, longtime hairstylist of the Kardashian family. I'm gonna go now and rinse out, and then I'm gonna come back and we can apply the hair mask. Let's actually do this. Ooh, it feels like a very rich and airy and moussey kind of texture. It's not a mousse, but it almost could be. So it says here to smooth evenly throughout the hair, combing with fingers if needed, chill out for 5 to 10 minutes. So definitely Kylie and possibly her hairstylist, they're not concerned about silicones, hydrolyzed keratin, hydrolyzed rice protein, and hydrolyzed corn protein, hydrogenated olive oil. So I still have to leave this on my hair for 5 more minutes, but I'm gonna be right back. And I've already rinsed this off my hair. I think because of its very kind of almost airy texture, it was not difficult to rinse out. It's supposed to actually have completely healed my hair in those 5 to 10 minutes, which would be almost miraculous. We're gonna style now and we're gonna see if it actually does. And now over to the next step. So according to Cosmo magazine, Kylie is actually a huge fan of a product that Kim actually uses on her, and this is the Color Wow Dream Coat. It contains a heat activated polymer and it kind of seals the cracks in very porous hair, protecting it from contact from humidity so it doesn't, you know, become all puffy. So based on my own personal experience with this product, I have a feeling this could be maybe, just maybe, the secret product they use for shiny hair during their photo shoots. So these heat activated polymer is supposed to last up to 3 shampoos. So you basically want to spread this liberally throughout your entire hair. Makes total sense that sisters will actually share certain tips and tricks, right? Kylie Jenner's stylist actually loves Hot Tools 24 karat gold, and lucky me, I happen to have their 1 step. And what's even better, this gorgeous thing right here actually just won the Allure 2020 award. It's a great pro yet lazy girl tool. Enchanté. This is looking beautiful, really glamorous. My hair feels soft and more manageable than the starting point, that is for sure. So the OUAI hair mask seems so nice. Some of the ingredients in here actually remind me a tiny bit, not a lot, but a tiny bit of the Joico K-Puck. It's really nice. I mean, don't get me wrong, I really like this, but I don't want to lie, I am much more likely to repurchase the Japanese hair care treatment that Kim uses on her hair care routine than Kylie's. So the last thing I want to attempt to do is that side flipped Hollywood Glam. It's kind of Kylie's signature thing. Consider this the official after in case I spoil things. You're gonna need a curling wand. It has a bigger barrel. Again, Kylie's stylist actually uses the Hot Tools 24 karat gold curling wand. I just don't have that one. So the first thing I want to do is flip it. So I'm going to take like medium-sized pieces of hair, not too little hair, not too much hair, and I'm going to curl in the direction opposite, so away from my face. So for my hair, 10-15 seconds is enough. You can see, God, this looks beautiful. We're definitely getting somewhere with this. So now over to the bangs. I'm gonna do the exact same thing, curl it away from my face, and I'm gonna take the entire thing, which is quite a big chunk, and wish me luck. Okay, this is nice. And now of course I'm gonna finish this side. Enchanté. Oh my god, this is looking so nice. I've never seen myself looking like this. I think we're getting there slowly. So the next step is kind of scary because after all this work, I'm going to kind of undo the whole thing. So let's start here. So apparently you can use a brush or just your fingers. This is the very first time I've ever seen my hair like this. It is definitely very old Hollywood style. I think Kylie uses it more like this, everything on one side. You can like even pin it to keep it on the side. Classic glamour. I don't think this type of hairstyle will ever be out of style, and if it does, it will sure make a comeback eventually. Elegant. So let me know, what do you think of the final result? I think we came pretty close. It was definitely a fun video to film. As always, every single product used and mentioned throughout this video is going to be listed and linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for supporting my unsponsored content by using my links on this or any of my other videos. You can also subscribe, comment, like, share. All those things help so much, and they are absolutely free, so why not? And like I always say, no matter what comes your way, stay brave. You are a warrior with the heart of an angel, and I will catch up with you guys again on Wednesday. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.